Alright, welcome back to Dank Scott Traders Hub. Yes, it's now the BTC analysis session. Just an hour and a half ago, we had our daily synthetic index analysis, and now we're back here for the BTC analysis. So welcome. If it is your first time here for the BTC analysis or on this very channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that bell button and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any notifications when we go live or when we upload any videos. All right, so right about now, we don't waste any time with BTC. We just go straight into it and start the analysis of BTC. So last week, I believe that, yeah, I think last week we had already analyzed, and we had seen that we were anticipating a pullback down below here in this fair value gap zone before we can get into the buys. So we haven't seen that yet. It hasn't happened yet, but right now what I can see is price has given us a new high right there, so I can adjust my my trend line to reach that, and then we can drag this here. So as far as this week is concerned, we know the price is coming down below here. We know it is coming. So if it comes and at least it hits 50% of this fair value gap, I believe we'll be getting into the buys. If it does this right here and goes into 50% of this fair value gap, I believe we will be getting into the buys. So for now, sales are on without a doubt, and clearly we can confirm that on H1 and of course even M15. So M15 hasn't confirmed yet, so all we need is, now that is a change of character, so all we need is a pullback right about there, and then we can come in later with the sell. So today, before the day ends, we're going to be selling BTC. BTC is going to go all the way down below to back to, let's see the price that we are anticipating BTC to go to before the week ends. Yeah, around 114k. Yeah, its price is anticipated to go back to 114k, and before the buys come in, it's expected to go into 113k. Yeah, 113k. That's where we are anticipating price to come all the way back to. So as far as BTC is concerned now, all I need is a confirmation of sales on M15, and then I can start that kind of a sell. So like I told you, BTC is not that of we don't normally talk a lot, so for it I don't do much, but I can still go to M5 and look at what is happening. Okay, we are now ready to retrace, so this is what we will be anticipating right about there. Retracement to take at least these highs out, try to look for the liquidity above here, and Yeah, it may go all the way up there to try to take that liquidity out. So price is going to give us such a retracement before we can engage in sales according to M15. So I told you I can't enter now because M15 is not giving me a confirmation. Yes, I have a change of character there, so I need a pullback on M5 and M15 before I can see it. I can't trade it, but if I see a breakout here, then I can trade the sell. I can come in with the sells. All right, yeah, that's it. Please, if you have any suggestions that you want us to engage on this very channel, or you want to see on this channel, please go ahead and write them in the comment section down below. If you want to talk to me, I'll be sharing the numbers later. If there's something on your mind, please you can jot it into the comment section and I'll be able to respond to it. But for now, BTC, we are going to be selling it this week. So now for scalpers, this is a confirmation of the buy. This is a retest trade, and this is a confirmation of the buy to push us where? To push us up there. So that's a confirmation of the buy here, but of course we can't enter it. We haven't seen a change of character. This is just a double bottom on M1. So you need price to break this level right about there, and then once it breaks it, then we just get a pullback to confirm that, probably down below here. Then you can get into your buys to take you all the way up there. So for scalpers, this can be a good point for you to actually engage in the buy, which will be just a retest trade on M5 and M15. Actually on M5, yeah, it will be a retest trade, and then also a retest trade on H1. So right now, as we speak, price is going to go all the way back to, it may not, but it's likely to get back to 18k, even to 19k. But here I have a strong high, so it's likely to not to exceed that level. Then we can come in with the sells. So you just have to be ready for this. I believe buys are starting anytime from now. I think I can even enter them. Yeah, if I enter them, I will have to put my stop loss here, right there down below here. That was where I would have to put my stop loss, and I will look for that kind of a profit to reach here. So can I enter? According to M1, I'm going to enter with my 0.05. Yeah, but look at the split. This is weird because they already know that it's going to buy, so they've put a big split for me. This is so weird. I hate it. I hate it when this happens. It normally happens only on BTC. With this kind of a blocker that I'm using, but with the rest of the assets, we always have tight stop losses, and I can actually enter now because I see I can add another entry down below there. So that's how that split is so big, and it's killing us. It's just killing us right there. But yeah, those are my two entries. I'll take my first TP right about there, and my second TP. Actually, this would be my second TP right about here. Yeah, my first TP will be here. That's what I would be doing right there. So just take that, and I'm out. I don't know if it will reach there. Let me first go to M5. M5, it's likely to reach, actually. According to M15, it's likely to reach even up there. So I can have this as my second TP right there, and this as my first TP right there. So that's it. I've locked in my buys, yeah, and I'm just going to wait and see if price actually is going to be working it out for me. This is my stop loss. I'm supposed to be putting it down below, but let me just leave it here just in case. No, just have it down where you had already anticipated. Yeah, so we are in profits, guys. We are in profits. So the spread, we should be already in some good money, but because of the spread, look at where our trades went to. So yeah, but we are in profits, guys. We are in profits. So this is a scalping one, a retest trade. So I hope you're having a good time with me. Please let me know in the comment section something you're thinking about of BTC. But I would like to tell you that price is going to come all the way to 18k. I mean 118k today. Yeah, it's heading back there, and then we can start to think of selling it all the way down below, back to 113k. Yeah, 113. Almost, 117 and 113 according to H4. Yeah, 113. Yeah, around here, 113. Yeah, that is according to H4. So for now, we wait, because once that happens, then we start to sell it. All right, I think that's it for today. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comment section. But otherwise, I want to remind you that a new month is starting on Friday, and Signal's VIP Signal platform is on, and that's the money you pay for these signals every month. It's a monthly thing, monthly subscription. So you pay that, and you get to enjoy the signals the filtered signals that I share with the guys on the VIP platform. Then the other thing is you can still also join the mentorship class if you love what I'm doing here, if you want to be part of it. I mean, if you want to learn the skill, if you want to learn the strategy that I use to analyze and the trade, yeah, you can still register with that information, or you can just WhatsApp me and I give you all the information that you need, what it takes for you to be part of the class, of the August class. Yeah, otherwise I want to wish you guys a good day, happy trading. See you on Friday for the BTC analysis, but also for the synthetics indices. We'll be back here tomorrow, 10:30 to 11:30 East African time, right here every day. Have a nice day and happy trading.